Madam Speaker, the Acting Prime Minister, the Leader of Opposition. Madam Speaker, I rise to respond to the question raised by the Honourable Member. Yes, the meeting were conducted every 2 years. Up till last year, there were 5 other Pacific Sports Minister meetings hosted together with the Pacific Games and the mini South Pacific Games every 2 years. So these meetings were half-a-day meeting chaired by host minister and the president of the Pacific Game Council. So as all the ministers are coming through Fiji or transit through Fiji on their way to the Commonwealth Games, we make use of this opportunity. So my colleagues from the region were effusive in their praise for Fiji hosting this standalone meeting over 2 days, and the commitment was reflected on the fact that they gave up their Easter weekend to come to this important meeting. The first outcome, therefore, Madam Speaker, that the Fiji's vision was applauded, and this was actually described as the first Pacific Sports Minister meeting, not the 6th. The Minister from 11 countries discussed action plans, coordinating police policy development, the area of sports autonomy, the format and the model of the Pacific Games as costs continue to escalate, our priorities for sports in the region, and relationship with other regional organizations. The Minister resolved to establish a secretariat which will be hosted by the Kingdom of Tonga to support the ministers in our ambitious action plan. The Minister also honored Fiji by asking us to continue to chair this Pacific Sports Ministers meeting, which will now meet annually. The Pacific Sports Minister will also agreed to develop a comprehensive vision of access to sports and physical activity for all, to protect the integrity of sports, to maximize sports' impact on sustainable development and peace, to develop and share data on the contribution of sports to gross GDP or gross domestic product and the economy, to coordinate the development of research of policy, legislation and regulation through the sports to be established by the Secretariat. 6, to assess the return on investment of each nation's participation in Commonwealth Games, to build a closer link between government and various regional sports coordinating organizations. I believe, Madam Speaker, that Fiji has helped to establish a strong cooperation mechanism for sports and physical activity in the Pacific, that our contribution has already been recognized. I look forward to working with my colleagues in the region and the Pacific as we chart a new territory for the important activity of national sports, for the nation building through sports. Thank you, Madam Speaker.